Hello students, I am Ajay Karmarkar. Before starting video, I would like to tell you something. Please sit with copy pen. If you find somewhere important, pause the video, note it and proceed on. If you find somewhere difficulty, then please write in comment box. I will definitely solve your problem. And along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you once again. Now here is the question. A ray of light from the air is incident on a glass plate of thickness small t at an angle of incidence equal to angle of total internal reflection of glass. Find the displacement of rays due to passage through the plate. Here refractive index of glass is given n. Here we have given four options. Option A, t into bracket root n square plus 1 minus 1 upon root n square plus 1. Option B, t into bracket root n square plus 1 minus 1 upon n into root n square plus 1. Option C, t into bracket root n square plus 1 minus 1 upon root n square plus 1 plus 1. Option D, t into bracket root n square plus 1 minus 1 upon n into root n square plus 1 plus 1. This question is based on total internal reflection and lateral shift. Let us first we have to draw this diagram. Here we have given a glass slab which refractive index is n. Here and the width is taken t. If ray of incidence making angle with the normal, that is I, after passing through rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards to the normal. So this angle become R. If suppose there is no any refraction, then original part should be like this. So here we can say that is the shifting. So this distance says x, that is lateral shift. Is it okay? So labeled whole diagram A, O, B, here M and P. Okay. So here we have labeled whole diagram. Now triangle O and B cos R. Here the cos R, that is the base. Here the perpendicular is hypotenuse. Says this OB denoted by small h. Okay. So what is base? ON is the base and OB is the hypotenuse. And ON is the width of this glass slab. So it is T, and OB we have labeled small h. So T can be written as h cos R. It is first equation. Is it okay? Now we have take the triangle OBP, sine I minus R, that is perpendicular, that is PB, and what is hypotenuse? OB. Here PB, that is x, and OB here, that is h. So again x can be written as h sine I minus R. That is second equation. Now substitute the value of h. Here what is the value of h? Okay, given the name, that is h can be written as t by cos R. So it is the first equation. So now substitute the value of h, t by cos R sine I minus R. Okay. Now we know that what is the expansion of sine A minus B? Sine A minus B, we know that sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So here we have using sine I minus R, sine I cos R minus cos I sine R. Now take this cos R inside the bracket in denominator. So here sin I cos R upon cos R, cos I sin R upon cos R. This cos R cancel, then x equal to t sin I minus cos I sin R upon cos R. Question number third. Okay. Now, most important part of this question, that is, we have given some important condition. We have given that angle of incidence equal to angle of total internal reflection. What is the condition? Here we know that here sin I equal to 1 by n. Here we have given refractive index, that is n. So we have substitute in the place of mu, that is n. Okay. So with the help of this, we can find out cos I. So what is the value? By using Pythagoras theorem, perpendicular, that is 1, and hypotenuse, that is n. So what is the base? N square minus 1. Then what is cos I? Base upon hypotenuse. Okay. So now second condition, by using Snell's law, refraction, sin I on sin R equal to n. Okay. So here sin I n into sin R. What is sin I? Sin I equal to 1 by n. So again transposing this term in denominator of left hand side, that is 1 by n sin R. Then sin R equal to 1 by n square. And with the help of this, we can find out value of cos R. Here perpendicular, here is the hypotenuse. Then what is the base? N raised to power 4 minus 1. So cos R can be written as n raised to power 4 minus 1 upon n square. So all this value now substitute in the equation third. Now x equal to t. What is the value of sin I? That is 1 by n. What is the value of cos I? Here root n square minus 1 upon n. What is the value of sin R? Here sin R is 1 by n square. And what is the value of cos R? Here n raised to power 4 minus 1 upon n square. Okay. So here n square cancel out. X equal to t, here 1 by n minus root n square minus 1. This n goes in denominator, and n raised to power 4 minus 1 can be written as, using identity, n square plus 1 root n square minus 1. Okay. So it can be written as n square plus 1, n square minus 1 is equal to root n raised to power 4 minus 1. So here n square minus 1, n square minus 1 cancel out. And x equal to t. This n get common in denominator and taken out from the bracket. 1 minus 1 upon root n square plus 1. Okay. Now it can be written as t by n, taking the LCM, root n square plus 1 multiply with 1, that is n square plus 1 and minus 1. Okay. Let's see which option is matching here. T by n root n square plus 1 minus 1 root n square plus 1. Here the option B is completely match here. So therefore it is the right answer. I hope so you understood this question. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Definitely, when you will become success, whole contribution goes to your hard work. But if my videos, my lectures, my questions will help in your success, I will consider myself lucky. Please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye.